Have you ever wondered what controls entire factories in just milliseconds? This is a PLC, a programmable logic controller. It is the brain behind modern industrial machines. Inside every PLC, there are four main parts: the CPU, input modules, output modules, and the power supply. Sensors detect changes like temperature, pressure, or motion, and instantly send signals to the PLC. The PLC processes these signals using programmed logic and makes decisions in real time. Then, it controls machines automatically in milliseconds. PLC, input, process, output. Mecha simplified. Subscribe for more.